Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve Mathematics by R.D. Sharma, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.1, the real numbers, question 7. So if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. So the question is, for any positive integer n, prove that n cube minus n divisible by 6. So when n is divided by 6, we get form 6 cube or 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 2 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 4 or 6 cube plus 5, which is remainder will be less than 6. So in the question it is n cube minus n. So we will take n cube minus n. So we will take 6 cube whole cube minus 6 cube. So we will get 216 cube minus 6 cube. So we can take common. 6 will be common. Then we will get 36 cube minus cube. So we can write as R is equals to 36 cube minus cube. So 6R, which is divisible by 6. So we will take 6 cube plus 1 as n. So n cube minus n is equals to 6 cube plus 1 whole cube minus 6 cube plus 1. So a plus b whole cube formula we will apply. A cube we will get 216 cube plus b cube. B cube will be 1 plus 3a square b. So 3 into a square, 6 into 6 is 36. 36 into 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Carry 1. 3 into 3 is 9 and 1 10. 108 cube square plus 3a b square. So 3a is 6 3s are 18. 18 into 1 is 18. So 18 cube minus 6 cube minus 1. So 1 and 1 is cancelled. So we will get 216 cube plus 108 cube square plus 12 cube. So we will take common. Here we will take common as 6. So 36 cube plus 108 in 6 table. 18 cube square plus 2 cube. We will get here R is equals to 36 cube plus 18 cube square plus 2 cube. So moving towards next, so we will take n cube minus n is equals to 6 cube plus 2 whole cube minus 6 cube plus 2. So we will apply a plus b whole cube. So we will get 216 cube plus 8 plus 3a square b. 3a square means 36. 36 into 3 is 108. 108 into 2 is 8 2 times 16. Carry 1 to 216 q square plus 3ab square. 3a is 18. 18 into 4, 72 cube minus 6 cube minus 2. So from here we will get 216 q cube plus 216 q square plus 66 cube plus 6. 6 will be common. So 36 q plus 36 q square plus 11q plus 1. So we will get R is equals to 36 q cube plus 36 q square plus 11q plus 1. So we are getting 6R. So moving towards next, n cube minus n is equals to 6q plus 3 whole cube minus 6q plus 3. So we will get 216 q cube plus 27 plus 6 square is 36 times 3. 36 times 3 is 108. 108 times 3. 8 3s are 24. 2 and 3. 324 q square plus, so we will take 3ab square. So 3 times 6 is 18. 18 into 9, 162 q minus 6q minus 3. So we will write in exponential form 216 q cube plus 324 q square plus 156 q plus 24. So we will take common as 6 and we will get 36 q cube plus 5 and 2 4, 4 q square plus 2 3 6 36 and q plus 4. So we can write here r is equals to 36 q cube plus 54 q square plus 26 q plus 4. So we can write 6r. So moving towards next. So we will take n cube minus n is equals to 6 cube plus 4 whole cube minus 6 cube plus 4. So we will get 216 q cube plus 64 plus 3a square b. So a square is 36. 36 into 3 is 108. 108 into 4. 8 into 4 is 32. 3 and 4. 432 q square plus 3ab square. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 into 16. So we will take it in different way. So we can take 16 into 6. 16 into 6 is 96 into 3 is 18 and 1 28. So we will get 288 q minus 6 q minus 4. So we will get 216 q cube plus 432 q square plus 288 minus 6. So 282 q plus 60. So we will get 6 as common and 36 q cube plus 7 and 1 2 and 12 q square plus 4 and 4 2 7 q plus 10. So from here we can write r is equals to 36 q cube plus 72 q square plus 47 q plus 10. So we can write 6r. So we will take n cube minus n is equals to 6 cube plus 5 whole cube. This is last 6 cube plus 5. So this is last step. No need to worry. N cube minus n is equals to 216 q cube plus 125 plus 3a square b. 3a square is 36 into 3 108. 108 into 5. So 40 carry 4 and 5. 540 q square plus 25 into 6. So 25 into 6 is 150 and 150 into 3. So 450 cube. And here will be minus 6 cube and minus 5. So from here we will get 216 cube and plus 540 q square plus 444 q plus 120. So we will take common 6 and 36 cube plus 90 q square plus 7 and 2 4. So 4 cube 74 cube plus 20. So we will get here R is equals to 36 cube plus 90 q square plus 74 cube plus 20. So we will get 6R. So hence we can write n cube minus n is divisible by 6 for any positive integer n. So that's all for this question. If you liked my video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to solve your doubt as soon as possible. And if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. That's all. Thank you for this question and video.